Whoa, hold up. Don't scroll past this just yet. You're literally seconds away from seeing something unreal. This animation? It's absolutely next level. The movement, the shine, the colors, the transitions. It looks like it came straight from a Pixar studio. No joke, I couldn't take my eyes off it. It's cute, it's clever, it's crazy creative. Here's what's wild though. I made the entire video using completely free AI tools. No hidden charges, no watermarks, no sign-up headaches, just drag, drop, animate. Done! But wait, before we jump in, hit that subscribe button. Your support fuels these epic tutorials and unlocks more free gems. Want to see what inspired me? Search AIAnimation on YouTube. You'll spot it. Over 886k subscribers and less than 150 videos. Tap on the popular tab and boom, pure animated gold. Every story, hilarious, emotional, addictive. Seriously, I binge-watched like 10 in a row. Snap your favorite scene. Use it as a reference for your own animated ideas. That's how the magic starts. All right, seatbelts on. We're diving into the world of AI-powered cartoon storytelling like never before. Let's light it up. Yo, legends. Welcome to the kickoff. This is step one, and trust me, you're gonna love this. Let's not waste a second. Head straight to ChatGPT. Open it up. Stay focused. This is where the magic begins. Now drop this message in the chat box. I want to create this type of video. Please give me Pixar-style 3D prompts, one at a time. Smash that enter key and boom. Fireworks, baby. Prompts popping out like it's New Year's Eve. Scroll through them, one by one, each one cleaner than the last. You're looking at a secret library of Pixar-style greatness. Zoom in on the details. The colors? Radiant. The designs? Chef's kiss. These characters are like they just walked off an animated film set. Tiny paws, sparkly eyes, magical backdrops. It's an artist's dream in prompt form. Now, here's your next move. Snag the first prompt that makes your jaw drop. The one that screams, "This is it!" Keep that ready because we're diving into step 2 next, and things are about to level up. Step 2. All right, let's roll into step 2. We're heading straight to the magic maker, Lendaro AI. This site? It's insane for generating stunning images and videos, but today, we're going for image mode, and it's 100% free, no strings attached. Click on Create. Sign in with a click and boom, you're in. Top corner, you'll see it. 150 free credits waiting for you, refreshed every single day. No more delay. Hit the Image tab paste, that first Pixar-style prompt we got from ChatGPT paste. Lock it in. Let's go. Choose variation mode and pick the 4-image option, hit Generate. Then hold on tight. Whoosh! First set of 4 images. Ready, on, screen. Characters glowing, details popping, backgrounds flawless. It's like watching Pixar unfold in front of your eyes. Now grab the next prompts. #2, #3, #4, and keep going. Upload one at a time, no rush, just flow. Every click brings another masterpiece to life. Look at those sets, each prompt giving you 4 incredible scenes. Yes, yes, yes. Zoom in, admire the detail, check the lighting, it's next level. Now, you know what to do. Download each image, save them by prompt, and get ready. Because step 3 is where we turn this artwork into an actual animated story. Let's do this. Step 3. Okay, time for step 3, and oh wow. Get ready to meet your new favorite tool, Runway ML. This site is a total game changer for transforming images into smooth, cinematic animations. And the best part? Yup, 100% free to use. No stress, no payment, just pure creation. So here's what to do. First, open Runway ML. You'll need an account, but don't worry. I got you. Can't use your personal email? No problem. Go to Smail Pro. It gives you a temporary inbox instantly. Grab a new email address, copy it, and head back to Runway. Now sign up. Create a username, set a password, boom. You're nearly there. A quick verification code gets sent to that Smail Pro inbox. Just refresh, copy the code, paste it into Runway, and Boom! You're officially logged in. Now take a look at the left menu. You'll see options for video, image, and audio tools. Click on Video, because today we're building animations from our Pixar-style images. Start by uploading your first generated image paste in the matching prompt if needed. Choose your style and settings, and hit Generate. Hold tight, and then, yes! Your very first animated video clip is done. Now repeat for each image set. Upload, generate, wait, and boom. Video #2, #3, #4. They just keep coming, one after another. Watch each one carefully. Check the movement, the transitions, the lighting. You're building a Pixar-level short film, scene by scene. Once you've got them all, hit that download button. Save your videos in order because now we're heading into step 4, where we stitch the magic together into a full animated story. Let's keep going. This is turning into something epic. Final step. All right, legends. It's the grand finale. Time to bring your animation to life. First up, launch CapCut. This is where your creativity takes center stage. Tap that big to start a new project. We're building your full animated short right here. Now bring in all the clips you created. Add them one by one in the right sequence, just like scenes in a film. Think of it like directing your own movie, frame by frame. Time to tweak and refine. Click each clip and use the zoom or scale tool. Make sure the visuals fill the screen completely. No black edges, no borders, just bold, full-screen beauty. Scrub through your timeline. Make sure the transitions feel smooth and the pacing feels just right. You're not just dropping clips, you're shaping a story with flow and feeling. Now, let's add the finishing touches. Insert your favorite transitions between clips, whether it's a smooth dissolve, a clean slide, or a punchy cut. Pick the ones that match the vibe of each scene. Preview them all and say it with me. Whoa, it's looking almost there. Now tap Export. Choose 4K, go sharp, go cinematic, go all in. Take a moment, and now, boom! You did it! From one single idea and a prompt, you just created a Pixar-style animated video using nothing but free AI tools. You added each scene with precision. You crafted a flow that feels alive. You built something that tells a story, your story. And now, it's time to release it into the world. Hit that subscribe button to join the creative squad, turn on notifications, so you never miss the next animation masterclass, and share your final video everywhere. YouTube, Shorts, Reels, TikTok, go global. You're not just editing, you're directing, you're dreaming, you're innovating with AI. And this right here, this is just the beginning. Let's keep pushing boundaries. Let's keep making art. Let's go!